Hello everyone, how are you all? Children, today we are going to learn about phonic sounds. Okay, so today we are going to learn phonic sounds of A to I. So let's learn. Which letter is this? A. What is the sound of A? A. A. What is the sound of A? A. Apple. Ant. Apple. Ant. A. What is the sound of A? A. What is the sound of A? A. Apple. Ant. Let's move to the next letter, B. Which letter is this? B. What is the sound of B? B. What is the sound of B? B. Ball. Yes, you are correct. Ball. Bat. Ball. Bat. B. B. What is the sound of B? B. Next letter is C. C. What is the sound of C? K. K. Cat. Cup. K. Cat. Cup. D. Yes, D. What is the sound of D? D. What is the sound of D? D. Drum. Do you like to play drum? Yes, very good. Dog. D. D. Drum. Dog. Let's move to the next letter, E. What is the sound of E? Eggs. Elephant. Do you like elephant? Good. Eggs. Elephant. Now let's move to which letter comes after E? Yes, correct. F. What is the sound of F, children? F. What is the sound of F? F. F. Fish. Fan. Fish. Fan. Next letter is G. What is the sound of G? G. 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 Gift. Gift. Do you like gifts? Yes. Good. Guitar. G. G. Gift. Guitar. H. H. What is the sound of H? H. H. Hand. H. H. Hand. H. H. Heart. H. H. Hand. H. H. Heart. Now this is I. What is the sound of I? E. And I also. Ice. Ice cream. Igloo. Igloo. What is the sound of I? I and E. Igloo. Ice. In the next video, we will learn about the sound of other letters.